the global hub of finance and logistics. A city whose elegance is heightened by unique buildings, Singapore. In the 30 years since it has expanded to Singapore in 1980, Ssangyong E&C has been a part of Singapore's growth by completing over 30 landmark projects worth $4.5 billion. Ssangyong E&C was also awarded 11 BCA awards in Singapore, a nation famous for its stringent construction standards. Furthermore, it has also gained recognition for high-quality constructs that safely protect the environment by acquiring BCA Green Mark, which is one of the world's top 3 eco-friendly certifications recognized in 7 Asian and Middle Eastern countries, as well as Safety and Environmental Award from Land Transport Authority of Singapore. In June 2010, Ssangyong E&C captured global spotlight by completing the Marina Bay Sands Hotel, which is considered the miracle of 21st century engineering technologies and the new symbol of Singapore. Consisting of 2,561 guest rooms and 3 55-story towers, the Marina Bay Sands is the most challenging project in history for the maximum slope of 52 degrees, which is 10 times the slope of the Tower of Pisa. The Sky Park, which includes a swimming pool on an area that measures 343 meters long and twice the size of a soccer field, connects the 3 towers 200 meters above ground. Ssangyong E&C has proposed an advanced and original construction method for overcoming the hotel's unique incline design and completing the project in 27 months. As a result, it won the bidding for this $714 million landmark project for its technological excellence rather than lowest bid. Despite the fact that it has been executing multiple projects in 10 countries, 24 hours a day with 6,000 employees, Ssangyong E&C has set a record of 12 million accident-free hours. The Raffle City complex has hosted many international events, including the IOC General Summit. It is the symbol of Singapore that was recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's tallest building in 1986. Ssangyong E&C received a big thumbs up from Lee Kuan Yew, the former Prime Minister of Singapore, for completing a floor in 3 to 4 days. 30 years later, the high-strength concrete method and oil-pressure concrete pumping technologies used in the project have become the key construction method in high-rise building constructions worldwide. The Raffles Hotel is the oldest hotel in Asia, with over 100 years of history. Singapore's national treasure and the birthplace of cocktails such as the Singapore Sling and $1 Million. By restoring the unique architectural characteristics and magnificent interior using a few faded blueprints and pictures and constructing new facilities when the building was deteriorating from age, Ssangyong E&C has created a sublime work of art that lives up to the hotel's title, Pearl of Singapore. Furthermore, Ssangyong E&C has successfully completed the Novotel project, a project that the previous contractor gave up due to the sinking ground and influx of underground water, the Grand Hyatt Hotel project with its unique sloping exterior, and the Riverview Hotel project. In 2009, it was commissioned for Singapore's first luxury hotel, the W Hotel project, with its design and build method. Overall, Ssangyong E&C possesses a portfolio of 13,000 hotel guest rooms worldwide and 6,200 guest rooms in luxury hotels in Singapore. Ssangyong E&C has changed the skyline of Singapore through construction of intelligent buildings that symbolize the city's and economic growth. The Suntec city is a major landmark of Singapore that hosted the first WTO conference in 1996 and the ASEAN conference in 1999. Located at the center of Singapore's commercial district, the 52-story intelligent high-rise Capitol Tower has become famous for being chosen as the office of former Prime Minister Lee Kuan Yew. Including the Capitol Square building, which presents a unique column-free design. Ssangyong E&C has been creating office spaces for the economic leaders of Singapore. The KK Hospital is the cradle of Singapore, where 1/3 of Singaporean citizens were born. Ssangyong E&C has renovated an old building from 1924 into a state-of-the-art gynecology and children's hospital. The Tan Tock Seng Hospital, which is the mecca of neuroscience and Southeast Asia's largest hospital, equipped with 1,200 sick beds, is a state-of-the-art hospital capable of providing primary medical services in the event of crisis situations, such as a war, by adhering to the Swiss Defense Facility standards. Ssangyong E&C proved its construction excellence once again in the Singapore Indoor Stadium project, which is the world's second project to utilize Pantodome construction method, where the roof structure is built on the ground and placed on top of the building. The Kranji new Racecourse, which boasts 30,000 seats, is engineered to prevent grass damage during races, and it has become a must-see establishment for experts in the field. The Oceanfront at Sentosa Cove is located in Singapore's luxury tourist destination. Ssangyong E&C has acquired a Platinum certification, the highest level of BCA Green Mark, by using an eco-friendly engineering that lowers the temperature of the building and maximizes energy efficiency. The Pierce Villas, consisting of 30 uniquely designed condominiums, is a luxury residence that has market value of over $10 million. From the resort-style residential complex, Changi Rise Condominium, and the Bayshore Park Condominium, which boasts beautiful coastal view and stunning architectural beauty. The Park Oasis Condominium. To the Tonglen Park Condominium, located near the center of Singapore's shopping and commerce district. Ssangyong E&C has constructed the most elegant residences in Singapore. Ssangyong E&C also possesses an outstanding portfolio of large civil works projects such as highways and subways. The Marina Coastal Highway project will take place in Marina Bay, the center of Singapore. It is a highly challenging project. 10-lane underground highway is constructed in a weak landfill region. Ssangyong E&C has won the bidding for this project based on its advanced technologies instead of the lowest price. By winning the bid for a project with $627 million budget per kilometer, it has proven its distinguished technologies in the civil works field. In 2009, Ssangyong E&C beat a multinational consortium consisting of companies from France, China, and Hong Kong, and was commissioned to carry out the contract 921 of the Urban Subway project, which has a budget of $53 million. It is the largest project in the history of subway constructions in Singapore, where every known construction method including NATM, TBM, and open-cut methods are used in a 1-kilometer zone. In these two projects, Ssangyong E&C has earned recognition of outstanding site management, as it was awarded the Safety and Environmental Award from the Land Transport Authority of Singapore. Throughout its history, Ssangyong E&C has executed over 130 projects in over 20 countries, totaling to $8 billion. Ssangyong E&C possesses a rare portfolio of 13,000 luxury hotel guest rooms and 8,000 sick beds in high-tech hospitals. Ever since it was rated as the world's #2 in hotel construction, it is upholding its leading position for overseas projects. Based on the outstanding reputation and technologies accumulated from projects around the world, Ssangyong E&C will continue its endeavor to be remembered as a leading E&C company that contributes a new future of Singapore.